Hello, welcome to a new FileDrop product release. Today we're releasing DocsJam. DocsJam is a simple Google Sheets add-on. It's a library of over 90 templates today, but it's growing every week. We add a few every week that you can use for free. Let's get started and let me show you how it works. First of all, you will find DocsJam in the Google Workspace Marketplace. You just search for DocsJam and you will find it. I already installed it in my Google Sheets. And I'm just gonna click here. So it takes a bit to load the templates. And we have a few features. We can browse through the templates, or we can search. If we like a template, we click use template, and we can make a copy of that particular template. Now the template is in our Google Drive, and we can edit it and use it. Most of our templates come with some dummy data in them, so pre-filled with some data that you need to delete and use your own. This is just for see how it looks and give you an idea on how to fill it or use the template. If you want to learn more about DocsJam, you can have more information. Please go to getfiledrop.com/DocsJam, and you'll find there a bit more details about this new Google Sheets add-on we released. Thank you and cheers. Bye.